Built in 1928 in the US, the Mandalay sank in January 1st, 1966. This 112 feet steel hull vessel ran aground on Long Reef on its way to Miami from the Bahamas. The wreck now lies in the eastern part of Biscayne Bay. Hi everybody, I hope you're doing fantastic. Welcome. And today we're going to take you to visit the Mandalay Shipwreck. So stay tuned for a day filled with good vibes and surprises.
When the rain pours down, when the day goes dark, and it feels like we don't know who we are. Remember, you have me by your side. We're always together.
Going to rescue my hat.
Pobre que caiga en tu mano.
Yay! We did it! Good stuff. All right.
When the day goes dark, and it feels like we don't know who we are. Remember, you have me by your side. We're always together. When the rain pours down, when the day goes dark, when it feels like we don't know who we are. Remember, you have me by your side. We're always together.
Oh my god, guys, we've seen a whole bunch of sea turtles. A hammer shark! Yes! It's a hammer shark, they don't do anything. Oh my god, where did it go?
Don't do anything.
No!
No,
Because they're hammer sharks.
no, they're one of the worst.
Are you serious? How could they be the worst? They're not regular
No,
white sharks. I think you guys, we found it. I think this is it. The sea turtles, and you were going pretty slow, but they swim so fast.
Yeah.
And there were so many of them. Oh my god. The whole family.
We want to make each other happy, you know? That's just in our nature. And it means everything. Everything we do in our life doesn't mean anything if it doesn't make someone's life happy.
And guys, that was the Mandalay in Lone Reef, Biscayne Bay, Florida. And did you know that the Mandalay, at the time it sank, was a private vessel used as a luxury cruise ship? When it sank, it had on 36 passengers, 23 vacationers, and 13 crew members. The rescue took place in windy conditions and 10-foot waves. All survivors were taken to Homestead Air Force Base. Only one passenger suffered injuries. All passengers were alive. I thought that would be really cool to share.
When the rain pours down and the day goes down, when it feels like we don't know who we are, remember you held me by your side. We're always together. When the rain pours down and the day goes down.
Well, guys, thank you so much for watching. We had such a great day. Unexpected surprises. We saw a hammer shark. To me, it was huge. And the sea turtles also huge. I just feel bad that I didn't have better footage for you. But hopefully next time we'll keep coming back to the ocean for new experiences, new stuff. So God willing, next time we'll bring you something even more exciting and better for you guys to see. And now we're getting ready to head on to Boca Chica. We plan to do a barbecue there, some paddle boarding. You are welcome to join us. It will be in the next video. So, but for now, thank you so much for watching. It's been wonderful. I hope to see you soon, guys. Take care of you as always. Bye.